Ah! No, I got a copyright strike. Nothing is more frustrating than getting a copyright strike on your video after you spend hours creating it. I've received multiple strikes on my channel over the years, so I know how it feels. And it doesn't feel good. In this video, I'm going to show you the new YouTube Studio tools you can use to remove copyright claims from your videos in 2020. You'll learn where to find a copyright strike info for your channel, what happens when you get a copyright strike, how to use the new claim editing tool, how to use a new video list feature for copyright claims, important things you should know about YouTube and copyright. Hi, my name's Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Log to YouTube channel, click on YouTube Studio. On the channel dashboard, you'll see your channel violations, which can be a community guideline strike or a copyright strike. Click the Videos tab, click Filter, click Copyright Claims. You'll be able to see the videos, visibility, monetization, restrictions, date, views, comments, likes, dislikes. If I hover over the copyright claim, it says this video is found to contain copyrighted material. As a result, it cannot be monetized by the uploader. This means I can still keep the video active on my channel, but I just can't make money from it. If I click on See More Details, then I get the copyright summary and status. It says video cannot be monetized. The content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. This is not a copyright strike. It shows the content used, claim type, impact on the video can't be monetized, or I can select Add Revenue Paid to Copyright Owner. If I click on Select Action drop-down box, I can trim out a segment, replace a song, mute the song, or dispute it. If I replace a song or trim out the offending segment, then I can monetize this video. I wouldn't have to worry about the content ID claim on the video anymore. When you trim out copyrighted content claimed by content ID in your video, it automatically releases the claim. If you got a copyright strike and absolutely believe it was an error, then by all means appeal the strike. Here's the message you'll receive in YouTube Studio if you got a copyright strike. The copyright owner asks us to take down the video because they believe it contains material that violates their copyright. As a result, the video is removed from YouTube. Your channel receives a strike. If you get 3 copyright strikes, your account, along with the associated channels, will be subject to termination. If you do nothing, the strike will expire after 90 days. You can request a retraction, or you can submit a counter notification. Deleting the video will not remove the strike. Under Actions, you can contact the claimant, or you could submit a counter notification. What happens when you get a copyright strike? Number 1, it acts as a warning. The first time you get a strike, you'll have to go through copyright school. YouTube does this so you can understand copyright and how it's enforced by YouTube. Number 2, monetization is disabled. This means you'll no longer be able to make money from AdSense ads that are on that video. If your live stream was removed for copyright, you won't be able to go live on your channel for 90 days. Number 3, if you get 3 copyright strikes, your channel and associated channels will be subject to termination. This means all videos that you uploaded to your account will be removed. You won't be able to create any new channels. Number 4, courtesy period. If your channel is a member of the YouTube Partner Program, you're eligible for a courtesy period of 7 days before your channel is disabled. During the 7-day period, your copyright strikes won't expire, and you also won't be able to upload new videos to your channel. Wow, that really sucks. Your channel will remain live during this period so you can resolve these strikes. If the strikes are resolved through a retraction or a counter notification, then your channel won't be disabled. Well, that's good news. What if I give credit to the copyright owner? Does this mean I can use their content? Giving credit to the copyright owner doesn't automatically give you the rights to use their copyrighted content. Make sure you get permission from the copyright owner to use their content before you upload the video to your channel. Can I use content that I purchased from iTunes, a CD, or DVD? Just because you purchased the content doesn't mean that you can upload the content to YouTube. Even if you give credit to the copyright owner from the content that you purchased, it may still violate copyright law. What if I recorded content from my TV, the movie theater, or the radio? Is that okay? Just because you recorded the content yourself doesn't mean you have the rights to the content and can upload it to YouTube. For example, if you were filming video in a mall and there was background music that is copyrighted, you couldn't use that background music in your video. You'd have to get permission from the owners of that music. What if I use a few seconds of copyrighted content in my video? Any amount of unlicensed content, even if it's for a few seconds, may result in a copyright claim from that owner. For example, I received a copyright claim on a 4-year-old video for just using a couple of seconds in the video. My appeal failed, so the video is removed. I lost revenue that was generated from the video, and I had to wait 90 days for the copyright strike to be removed from my channel. Wow, that really sucks. Click the link in the card to learn how to avoid fair use copyright on YouTube. Copyright strike or community guideline strike. What's the difference? YouTube says copyright strikes are issued when we remove content because the copyright owner sent us a complete and valid legal request asking us to do so. Community guideline strikes are issued when we remove content because it violates YouTube's community guidelines. This includes, but is not limited to, nudity, sexual content, violent or graphic content, harmful or dangerous content, or spam. If you want to know how to legally use copyrighted music on YouTube in 2020 without getting a copyright strike, watch my next video. You'll discover how to add a copyrighted music clip to your video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.